This is Vinayak Mathur from Video Analysis, and in this video I'll be showing you how to portray announcement or multiple announcements by when a player touches a trigger in UDK. So let's hop into UDK. On this splash screen, I'll click on New Map, Morning Writing, close the splash screen and the content browser for a minute. I'll delete this box, select this wireframe, push that out of the plane we are building in it. Then to get rid of this shadow, I'll go to build all. You might get this error which says maps not built with production lighting. You can ignore this and close this. Now I'll press Ctrl Shift F or go to the content browser over here. Come back to static mesh doors, and this time I'll choose this one and bring it in the plane. Now I'll get close to this. I'll place a trigger over here. Add actor, trigger, and F4 for properties. Drop down cylindrical component and increase the radius. And then I'll come back a little. I will now go to Kismet over here and right click, new event using trigger, touch, then right click, new action, bottom you'll go to voice announcements, play announcement, and then touched is going to be selected to in, and in the play announcement box come over here in announcement text and write something like hello world. Also, if you want to play sound instead of text, you can import your WAV or MP3 file over here in this dialog box, and that's it. If I now play this, okay, so when you have to do announcement, you will have to go to view, world properties, then game type into deathmatch. Playing announcement can only work with deathmatch. So I'll play this. So now you get a gun with this. Now you have to come close to the door and then point towards the trigger, and now you can see there's a hello world. Now when I come back to that, it won't show. The problem was when I go to Kismet and click on this, my trigger count is 1, so the event will only play for once. For making it to infinity, I'll go to and press that 0. And now let's see what happens. So when I come close, I see a hello world. If I go back and come back, I'll see hello world again. Now what if I wanted to play multiple texts? I can go to Kismet and zoom this and break this linkage. Press Ctrl and select this and move it to the second point. Now if I want to play multiple events or the announcements, what I'll have to do is add a switch. So I'll go to new action, switch, I'll click this top and I'll select touched to endpoint. Now the number of link count over here in the sequence At switch will determine the number of announcements you want to play randomly. So suppose I want to play 3 announcements, I'll press 3 and press enter. So now I have 3 links. So first will get attached to this play announcement, and let's make duplicates of these. So play announcements, once more, action, voice announcements, play announcements, bring these aligned. Okay, pretty cool. Link 2 to the second announcement, link 3 to the third. Go to the second announcement, change the text, say hello, and in the third one, just word, and that's it. Now if I close this and play, now see. Every time I go near the door, it will show me a different text, but only one text at a time. After the third text, it won't show. So let's observe. First, hello world. Come back, hello. Come back, world. Now if I come back and then go, it won't play anything. That won't show up anything. Because for that, we'll have to go to Kismet again. And in the switch selector, we'll have to start looping. So that for the first time this is played, second this is played, third this is played. But when the player comes back at the fourth time, this whole starts up again by coming back to here and then starting all over again. So you'll have to click on looping if you want it all together. So I'll close Kismet and play again. Hello world first, hello second, world third, and now when I come back and go, then I should see hello world. And there you go, it's looped now. So that's it for this tutorial. If you like this video, press the like button. If you loved it, press the subscribe button if you haven't yet. And for any queries, put them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.